The Canon EOS R4 is shaping up to be one of the most talked about mirrorless cameras of the decade, symbolizing Canon's unrelenting pursuit of excellence and innovation within the competitive world of professional imaging technology. With this release, Canon seems determined to redefine what hybrid shooters can expect from a single device that seamlessly bridges the gap between professional photography and high-end cinematography. The EOS R4 isn't simply an incremental update. It's a bold reinvention of what a full-frame mirrorless camera can be, merging the precision engineering of Canon's past with the advanced computational power and sensor technology demanded by the creators of today. Every design element, internal mechanism, and software upgrade appears to be purpose-built to empower both seasoned photographers and filmmakers who require flexibility, speed, and flawless image quality across every shooting condition. This camera signals a new era where hybrid content creation, spanning YouTube videos, commercial film work, sports photography, and cinematic storytelling, can be accomplished using a single, uncompromising tool. Built around an entirely new 45-megapixel stacked full-frame CMOS sensor, the Canon EOS R4 represents a major evolution from the sensors found in previous models like the R3 and R5. Its stacked architecture allows for faster readout speeds, which means rolling shutter distortion is virtually eliminated even during ultra-fast electronic shutter bursts or high frame rate video recording. Canon has struck the ideal balance between resolution and performance. 45 megapixels ensure rich, detailed images suitable for large format printing or tight cropping in post-production, while maintaining manageable file sizes for practical workflows. The sensor's wide dynamic range is paired with Canon's renowned color science, ensuring that images look organic and true to life straight out of the camera. Skin tones are smooth and realistic, blues and greens pop naturally without artificial oversaturation, and the tonal transitions between light and shadow are buttery and cinematic. In low-light conditions, the EOS R4 performs with remarkable grace. ISO sensitivity up to 12,800 maintains clarity and texture with minimal digital noise, giving photographers and videographers freedom to shoot in dimly lit environments without sacrificing quality. Canon's refined noise reduction algorithms preserve natural detail, ensuring an authentic filmic grain structure that cinematographers will particularly appreciate. From astrophotography to wedding receptions, this low-light excellence ensures creators can confidently shoot in virtually any environment. The autofocus performance is another arena where Canon seems to be rewriting the rulebook. The EOS R4 incorporates Canon's next-generation dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology, powered by a deep learning AI processor that intelligently recognizes and tracks subjects across the frame. Covering 100% of the viewfinder area with over 5,000 selectable focus points, the R4's autofocus system is built for both complexity and precision. Whether it's tracking a runner's eye during a marathon, following a bird in flight, or maintaining focus on a car moving at full speed, the R4's autofocus operates with near telepathic responsiveness. Canon has fine-tuned its AI detection to identify not just human eyes, faces, and heads, but also animals, vehicles, helmets, and even subjects partially hidden behind obstacles, ensuring continuous focus accuracy even in the most unpredictable real-world shooting scenarios. For action photographers and sports videographers, this speed and intelligence translate to a higher success rate when capturing decisive, fleeting moments. Shooting speed is another area where the Canon EOS R4 demonstrates its professional-grade muscle. In electronic shutter mode, the R4 can fire off up to 30 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking, while the mechanical shutter still delivers a highly respectable 12 frames per second. This rapid-fire capability is supported by a deep buffer that can capture over 100 RAW files in a single burst, especially when paired with ultra-fast CFexpress Type B cards. Whether capturing wildlife sequences or high-speed sports action, the R4 provides both the precision and endurance required to never miss a critical frame. The camera's physical design is equally impressive, embodying a blend of ruggedness, ergonomic refinement, and modern utility. Constructed with a full magnesium alloy chassis and reinforced with carbon fiber elements, the EOS R4 achieves exceptional durability without excessive weight. It feels solid in the hand, yet agile enough for handheld operation over long periods. Canon has clearly paid attention to ergonomics. The grip is deeper and more sculpted for improved stability, especially when using large telephoto lenses, while the button layout has been carefully re-engineered to make every control intuitive and accessible. The tactile feedback of the shutter button, the customizable dials, and the responsive joystick all contribute to a shooting experience that feels immediate, deliberate, and satisfying. The weather sealing has also been upgraded to near IP52 standards, giving professionals confidence when shooting in rain, dust, or extreme temperatures. The Canon EOS R4's viewfinder and display technology further enhance its usability and creative control. The electronic viewfinder boasts a stunning 9.44 million dot OLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, delivering an experience nearly indistinguishable from an optical viewfinder, smooth, immersive, and blackout-free even during bursts. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen offers improved brightness and contrast, ensuring full visibility under harsh sunlight or in dark environments. Whether you're shooting stills or composing video, the visual clarity and responsiveness of the interface inspire confidence and precision. Storage and connectivity have been expanded to meet the expectations of professional workflows. Dual memory card slots support CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD cards, providing both speed and redundancy. The R4 also features a full-size HDMI port, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity, microphone and headphone jacks, and an integrated LAN port for wired transfers, all of which reinforce its role as a production-ready powerhouse for on-location or studio use. Where the Canon EOS R4 truly blurs the line between photography and filmmaking is in its video capabilities. Canon has leveraged its cinema camera expertise to equip the R4 with 8K internal recording at up to 60 frames per second in 12-bit Canon Cinema Raw Light, all without requiring external recorders. This level of cinematic performance in a mirrorless body is astonishing, offering immense creative flexibility for professionals who demand uncompromised image quality. Additionally, 6K ProRes RAW output is available via HDMI, and oversampled 4K footage can be captured at up to 120 frames per second for beautifully detailed slow-motion work. Canon's engineers have implemented an advanced thermal management system, including internal heat sinks and passive cooling vents, that allows for extended recording times exceeding 45 minutes in 8K mode without overheating. For 4K shooting, recording limits are virtually non-existent, making the R4 a reliable choice for documentaries, interviews, or long-form productions. In terms of color science, the EOS R4 provides Canon Log 2, Log 3, PQ, and HLG profiles, ensuring maximum dynamic range and compatibility with HDR workflows. Creators can load or bake custom LUTs directly into the footage, ensuring consistent color pipelines across different cameras or projects. On the audio side, Canon has stepped up the game with professional-grade recording options, dual-channel, 48V phantom power support via an XLR adapter, and 4-channel digital audio input through the multifunction hot shoe. This setup makes the R4 not just a video camera, but an entire production hub capable of handling professional-grade sound capture natively. Real-world performance confirms that the Canon EOS R4 isn't just about specs. It's about delivering consistent, dependable excellence across all creative fields. Wildlife photographers will appreciate its precision and burst speed. Sports shooters will praise its reliability and autofocus tracking. Filmmakers will value its color depth and cinematic dynamic range. And hybrid creators, from YouTubers to commercial videographers, will finally have a tool that can seamlessly transition between high-end photography and film production. Even for extended sessions, the R4's improved grip, balanced body, and responsive interface reduce fatigue and enhance creative control. Ultimately, the Canon EOS R4 stands as a declaration of Canon's dominance in the mirrorless era. It's more than an upgrade. It's a bold evolution designed to empower the next generation of creators who demand versatility, reliability, and innovation in one package. From capturing breathtaking wildlife moments to producing cinematic short films, from corporate shoots to travel vlogs, this camera adapts to every scenario with unmatched poise. The EOS R4 represents Canon's vision of the future, a future where professional imaging is defined by seamless hybrid performance, unbreakable precision, and creative freedom without compromise.